Equipment overloaded? Orders backed up? Are you experiencing seasonal chaos? Do you find your plant short-handed? Viking Plastics has the injection molding capacity you need. That's right, Viking Plastics is a leader in the injection molding industry, has been for over 40 years. You know you'll get the quality you demand because we have a ppm defective rate of less than 1. And we're sticklers for on-time delivery, 99.6%, not good enough. We run a lean operation with 42 presses in our Corey, Pennsylvania and Louisville, Kentucky facilities. Customers know us as a reliable source for plastic components requiring contract manufacturing services, secondary processes that include ultrasonic welding, pad printing, and multi-component assemblies, or injection molding with a wide range of molding capabilities, including insert molding, overmolding, two-shot molding, and metal-to-plastic conversion. You can avoid chaos by working with Viking Plastics. Contact Viking Plastics for a quote or with any questions you may have.